Alright guys, this is the unboxing video of the Soul Republic Master Tracks. So let's get right into it and take it out of the bag. Alright, it says Master Tracks right there. Soul Republic Soundtrack of Life. Pretty good picture of them. Side says Soul Republic, it's clear. Nice picture. Soul Republic Soundtrack of Life. Let me focus that. There you go. Interchangeable headband, virtually indestructible, incredible sound. Yep. There you go. There. Soul Republic again. Top has the headband. Soul Republic. Bottom. There you go. Alright. So now let's take this up. Take this out. There you go. Oh, what's that? Alright. Pretty good picture of it. There's the ear cups. X3 sound and speakers, powerful bass, Sonic Soft. There you go. Music plus phone control. Let's put the volume rockers right there. Virtually indestructible Flex Tech headband. Just a picture of the headband. Made for iPod, iPhone, and iPad. Alright, so let's get right into it. Take this out like that. And then you pull it. 1 second, guys. Alright, so I get it out. There's that. Here's the headband. Pretty nice. Soul Republic right there. Nice. Alright. You have that foam stuff. Alright, put that aside for a second. And you pull this out. This part already came out. Alright. There's that. And there is that. And that's pretty nice. Here's the sound engines. Left. Right. Let's go ahead and put these on. So it's right. So it's going to go with the right one. 1 second. Let me put it together and then I'll come back to you guys. Alright, so I got to put it together. There you go. Soul Republic right there. Alright, let's take this out. There's that compartment right here. 1 second, guys. Pull this out here. There we go. So there's that. Let me try to untangle this. 1 second. Alright, so I got it untangled. Here we go. Adapter for DJing. There you go. Alright, and here's the cord with the volume rockers, play pause. There you go. Left, so I'm gonna match it with the left one. There we go. Left. It's in. And the right one. Right, there we go. So I got to put together. Nice L-shaped cable, like the last one, like the tracks. Let me focus on that. Can you focus? Well, it says Soul Republic. There you go. Now let's get into this compartment. Pull this out. Is that everything? Yeah, I believe that's everything. Let's take a look. Yeah, that's everything. Alright. Here's the carrying pouch. Nice, nice. Here we go. Soul Republic Master Tracks user manual. Different languages. Soul Republic warranty. There we go. Soul Republic sticker. And just some more information if you have any issues. Alright, so these are Solarplug Master Tracks. What I think is cool about them is they pivot right here, like the ear cup. See that? You see that? They kind of pivot. Like this foam part, right? The comfort kind of pivots on the actual metal part. These feel really comfortable. The ear cups, look how big they are. Oh my gosh. Yep. So these are the Solarplug Master Tracks. Thanks for watching.